Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time this video finds you. My name is Frank Guest, and this is the Frank Guest YouTube channel. I've got a few Jabra products in front of you. I have a Jabra Speak 2 55 right here, which I've already done a review on, and I'll stick a card above me in one of the corners if you're interested in learning more about that. I also have a Jabra Speak 2 75, which I have not done a review on yet, but I will do so next, and I'll put that link up in one of the corners as well. But what you're here for today is this beautiful product right here. This is the Jabra Evolve 2. These earbuds will run you about $269 if you purchase them directly from the Jabra website. They come with a 2-year warranty. They have a 65-foot operating range, and they are waterproof up to 1 meter for about 30 minutes. You can also manage these earbuds using the Jabra Direct software. You can go into all sorts of settings. You can have a whole lot of fun. I know I certainly do using the Jabra Direct software. The Evolve 2 buds are your portable, pocketable, ultra convenient slice of office life when the actual office is nowhere to be seen. Everything you need to make the most of this work on the go business packed into a pair of tiny, true wireless earbuds. On top of all that, they are certified for apps like Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. You can order them with a USB-C or USB-A dongle. The ones I have in front of me here have the USB-A dongle. The earbuds come with a super convenient carrying case that not only protects the buds, but will charge them wirelessly while the case is in your pocket. The earbuds themselves, when you have them in your ears, they will stay charged for 8 hours, but you can continue charging them in this pocket, and you can get up to 33 additional hours without having to plug this in. As long as this is fully charged, you can plug the earbuds directly into here, and this will charge them again for up to 33 hours. Another pretty dope thing about this case is if you do happen to run out of charge on your earbuds, you can put them in here for 5 minutes, and that will give you 60 minutes of talk time. These earbuds also have some super cool features, like these tiny little earbuds have 6 microphones in them. They have active noise cancellation. You've probably heard ANC. Well, these have ANC. They have in-ear pressure relief. They have wind noise reduction, HearThrough, and the HearThrough is pretty nice because these earbuds, they do fit in your ears pretty snugly, and I say that, you might think that they're not comfortable, but they actually are pretty comfortable. I've worn these pretty much all day before and not taken them out, and with just, you can actually set it up. I have it set up, you just do a tap, you tap it twice, and that turns the ANC off and the HearThrough on, and then you tap it 2 more times, and then it turns the ANC on and the HearThrough back off. And basically what the HearThrough does is if somebody next to you wants to say something to you, you can't hear them when the ANC is turned on. Tap it twice, you'll be able to hear what they say without having to take the earbuds out. Pretty cool. What do you say we test these bad boys out? If you guys have watched my videos before, you know I go back and forth between the microphone on whatever device I'm testing and this lapel microphone right now. Obviously, I'm coming from the lapel microphone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my MacBook outside, and I'm going to have these connected to my MacBook, and I'm going to go back and forth between these earbuds and this lapel microphone. So let's go outside and let's do a few tests. Okay, here we are outside. I just took the earbuds out, put them in my ears, and as soon as I put them in, it automatically connected. I have the USB-A plugged into an adapter that goes into the USB-C port on my MacBook Pro. I'm going to go into my MacBook Pro here, and I'm going to make sure that I'm using my Jabra Link 380, which is the dongle. That's what I want to connect to because the earbuds automatically are synced with the dongle that comes with the earbuds, and it is. Now I'm recording directly from my MacBook, but you obviously are hearing me, and I'm looking a little washed out. It's an awful bright day and the sun's right behind me. But right now you're coming from my Sony camera and my lapel microphone, and right now you're coming from the MacBook Pro and my earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to my camera and lapel microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again back to the Jabra earbuds. 1, 2, 3. I can hear there's a little dog barking. I'm not sure if you can hear the dog barking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then again back to my camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to, I've got you out in my backyard here. I'm just going to kind of start walking backwards. I'm right in front of my laptop right now. And let's see. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm about 20 feet away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see how far I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm all the way back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm pretty far from my laptop, probably about 40 feet. I'm going to walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I only know how to count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm right back in front of the camera. I'm now back in my basement. It's a pretty quiet basement. When I was outside, it was pretty windy. Right now, the only noise is my dog quietly snoring or restfully snoring over there in the corner. So I just wanted you guys to hear how it sounds back in here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you enjoyed this pretty quick product demo. Let me take these earbuds out and stick them back in the wireless charger. Put it in my pocket, keeps them nice and safe. And remember, I put them in here for 5 minutes, and that gives me an additional hour of talk time. If you did enjoy this video, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm get my video out so more people like you can watch it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe and have yourself a wonderful day.